Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are gonna learn how to change age in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I will try to show you if you can do it through the game. So click on this hamburger menu here and go to settings, and as you can see there is no direct option to change your age in Brawl Stars. So what many people do is they log out of their Supercell ID and create a new, but what if you want to just change your age on your current account? So one way that I know is you can contact the Brawl Stars support team, and that way you can tell them that you have accidentally put your wrong age. So you can just email them. So for that we will first need our ID. Just click on your name in the top left corner, and as you can see here on your profile picture there is this ID. You have to just copy it, put it in the email. So let's go to Chrome, any browser you have, and just simply type Brawl Stars support team. So as you can see, this is the contact form here. Click on it, select your language, select your category, click on something else, and as you can see I was telling you to copy your player tag. You have to just simply paste it here, put your email address and type your message here. I have accidentally put my wrong age. Kindly help me fix this issue. So this way you can just click on I am human and then click on submit, and this way you will be able to tell the support team and they will reach out to you via email. So they will ask you what's your real age is, so just simply tell them. So that's it for today guys. See you soon, have a good day.